Chayote squash, scientifically known as Sechem edule, is a versatile and nutritious vegetable widely cultivated in various parts of the world. This green, wrinkled fruit belongs to the gourd family, and it is renowned for its mild flavor and culinary adaptability. In this video, we will delve into the various aspects of chayote squash farming, from cultivation techniques to its benefits and market potential. Welcome to Discover Agriculture YouTube channel. If you haven't subscribed yet, hit that button now and don't forget to click the bell icon for notifications on new videos. Climate and soil requirements. Chayote squash thrives in subtropical and tropical climates. It requires well-drained soil with good organic matter content. The ideal pH range for chayote cultivation is between 6.0 and 6.8. Propagation. Chayote is propagated through its single large seed, which is typically found in the fruit's center. These seeds can be planted directly in the soil or in containers. Another common method is to plant mature chayote fruits directly into the ground. Planting. Chayote plants require plenty of space to grow, so ensure adequate spacing when planting. They can be grown vertically on trellises or along fences to save space and facilitate harvesting. Watering. Chayote plants need consistent moisture, so regular watering is essential, especially during dry periods. Avoid waterlogging, as this can damage the roots. Fertilization. Apply balanced fertilizer, rich in nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium, to promote healthy growth. Organic compost can also be beneficial for improving soil fertility. Harvesting and storage. Chayote squash can be harvested when the fruits are still young and tender, usually within 6 to 8 weeks after planting. They should be picked before they become too large and hard. Once harvested, chayote can be stored in a cool, dry place for several weeks. Conclusion. Chayote squash farming is an accessible and potentially profitable agricultural pursuit. Chayote's growing popularity in culinary circles and its nutritional benefits make it a valuable addition to both the agricultural industry and consumers' diets. By mastering the art of chayote squash farming, individuals and communities can contribute to food security while enjoying the economic benefits of this thriving crop. Hope you liked this video. Share this video with all friends and don't forget to subscribe Discover Agriculture channel. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.